Hey everybody! The purpose of this video is to walk you through exercise 415.6 in the Collaborative Statistics textbook. This is a pretty straightforward problem, from what it looks like anyway. It gives you a probability distribution for the number of years it takes to earn a Bachelor of Science degree. I'm not exactly sure from which source they're pulling theirs. I'm guessing it's their school that the ladies that wrote this book work at. Here's the X column, and here's the probability of X column. It says, in words, define the random variable X. Well, actually, they've already done it for us. X is the number of years it takes to earn a Bachelor's of Science degree. So it's pretty straightforward. So it looks like, from their experience, it takes between 3 and 7 years. Part B, what does it mean that 0, 1, and 2 are not included? This is you got to be careful about this. It could mean a couple different things, but I think what it really means is these values were gathered from some kind of data crunching or data analysis done over time at this school. What it means is, in the time period that they checked the Bachelor of Science earnings and how long it took, there were no cases at all where you could get a Bachelor's of Science in 0 years or 1 year or 2 years. Now, 0 makes perfect sense. You got to spend some time in school. 1 year and 2 years are also believable. I mean, a bachelor's degree, it took me 4.5 years. I would imagine it's considered a quote unquote 4-year degree. So to get it done in 3 years is realistic, especially if you have AP credit from high school. To get it done in 4 is fairly standard. To get it done in more than 4 would definitely be believable. But to get it done in many fewer than 3 years would be a little bit ridiculous. So anyway, let's crunch some numbers now, which is part C. On average, how many years does it take? Well, we're going to have to start by inputting some of these values. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then over in L2, 5% of them get done in 3 years, about 40% get it done in 4, 30% get it done in 5, 15 get it done in 6, and 10% get it done in 7. These numbers are surprisingly high, actually. I mean, I'll buy this, but 15 and 10, man, that's a quarter, right? That's a quarter of the folks take at least 6 years to get their bachelor's degrees. That seems long to me, but then again, who am I to say? I mean, maybe it's perfectly reasonable. Okay. So we're going to run our average calculator by running one bar stats, L1, L2, and it looks like it's going to take an average about 5 years, just under 5 years on average to get a degree accomplished with a plus or minus of 1, although I wouldn't put too much stock in that one plus or minus 1 because we're interested in how long it takes on average. So there you go, about 4.85 years. Interesting research would be looking at the BA degree and see if the BA degree at this school takes a significantly different amount of time than the BS degree. Don't know. Don't have the data, so I can't check it. But hopefully this helped you understand how to find the expected value of a random variable when the PDF is given to you. Okay.